Great game. Say what's up. What's up, big lady?
Sorry, I have someone on my back. You're gonna need
okay? For the first time, I'm speechless. Great job. These girls deserved it. From day one, I said defense and hustle, and that's all we did. Even with one of our better players out there, we brought the lightning, girls, okay? Great job, parents. Give a big round of applause. That was awesome, okay? We bet at the end, but we didn't give in, okay? We gave up one goal, but we kept on fighting, and we won. Great job, girls. Congratulations to all of us. All right, call in, everyone. Call in.
Wait. Coach Russell. Lenny on three. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, one more thing, girls. One more thing. Listen.
Celebrate.
We believe we're going to win, and you can do that anything in life. You believe in something, you go out and do it, okay? Let's go. Good job.
Come on, girls. One picture. Wait, I want a picture of you guys all holding your number one finger up. For number one.
Don't cupcake yet.
Come on, Vale. Just go and get in there. With the coach.
Come on, champions. Woohoo! Together. Come on, coaches.
Come on, cupcake girls.
All right.